In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a professional-looking certificate using Google Slides. Creating certificates can be a rewarding task, allowing you to acknowledge achievements in a personalized way. Whether for academic purposes, workplace accolades, or personal projects, a certificate is a great way to convey appreciation and accomplishment. So, let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, open Google Slides and start by creating a new presentation. You can do this by heading to the File menu, selecting New, and then choosing Presentation. Alternatively, if you have a specific certificate template you'd like to use, simply open that and make a copy for your own customization. This will give you a head start on your design process. With your new presentation open, it's time to set up the certificate layout. Go to the Slide menu and select Page Setup to choose your desired size. This might be standard 4:3 or something like A4 if you plan on printing. The right size will ensure that your certificate looks professional and fits wherever it's meant to be displayed. You can even change the background color or image by returning to the Slide menu and selecting Change Background. This can add a personal touch or align with your brand's style. Now it's time to add the core elements that make up the certificate. Start by including a title such as Certificate of Achievement or Certificate of Completion. This will clearly state the purpose of the certificate. Make the recipient's name large and prominent. After all, they're the star of this document. Add a subtitle or description that outlines what the certificate is for, perhaps the course or accomplishment. Remember to leave space for the issuing organization's name or a signature line, as well as the date of issue. These elements give your certificate authenticity and context. To make your certificate visually appealing, insert logos or decorative graphics. You can do this by going to Insert, selecting Image, and uploading your logo or pertinent graphics. Enhance the design with shapes, lines, or other decorative elements to frame and style your certificate. Just ensure they complement the overall look without overwhelming it. Always aim for high-resolution graphics to maintain quality, especially if you're printing. When it comes to format and style, choose a font for the title that stands out and opt for a clean font for the body text. Align elements carefully so the layout feels balanced. Borders, shading, or accent colors can add the polish of professionalism, but keep in mind the printability of your colors. The final step is to review every detail. Check spelling on names, dates, and make sure everything is correctly aligned. When ready to print, download your file as a PDF under the highest quality settings through File, then Download. If you're sharing it digitally, consider exporting it as a PNG or PDF. By following these steps, you'll have a beautifully crafted certificate ready to acknowledge the achievements that matter most. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.